Hello everyone, good evening. So in this session we are going to have a hands-on with the tools of email marketing. With our last session we had an theoretical portion. Now we would be having the practical part of email marketing. See the thing is हमने जितने भी email देखे या फिर हमने जितने भी email marketing के aspects पे काम किया है through Gmail or any other platform, it was bit insufficient. Is the things we are going to do in this session is the accurate. So whatever the things we are going to do in this particular session, ये चीज हम अब आगे के भी हमारे इवेंट में वर्कआउट करेंगे. एंड होता है एक्चुअल ईमेल मार्केटिंग जो हम कर रहे हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ ईमेल मार्केटिंग बट इट्स ऑन अ बिगिनर स्केल. यहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं टू इंडर 1000, 2000, 5000 participant by a single shot of mail. If you are scheduling a mail in time, over here it will a minute to shoot about 2000 emails or 5000 emails with ease. So how this email marketing tools we are going to discuss in this particular session. There are a number of email marketing tools, but मेरे कौन से बेस्ट टूल्स है जिसपे वर्क करने में एज एन इंडिविजुअल आपको कन्वीनियंस रहेगा एज वेल एज and provide value to the organization. वही tools के बारे में हम discuss करने वाले हैं. And for me, top 6 tools which you should use if you email marketing. Starting with Mailchimp. On your screen, you can see the direct dashboard part, but over here the question is how to get into this particular dashboard. So I was saying that there are a number of tools, but we are going to just discuss about the first was Mailchimp. You just need to write Mailchimp in your Google browser or Microsoft Edge browser, and over here on the top there would be a section of login. Right now I'm logged in with the Indogulf's marketing email ID. That's why I'm just showing you the dashboard. एक बार जैसे ही आप login होते हो, you would be redirected to this particular dashboard. Now, how you are going to use this particular dashboard? Click on this particular create option. It will ask do you want to send an email for marketing, customer journey, landing page, like for website landing page, multi-channel design. What is the purpose? Our main purpose would be email. That's why we'll be focusing to an email with a regular design. What should be the campaign name? Suppose we are going to have an international conference on 6th. So international research conference August. So yeah, a campaign name can be anything, but you just need to make sure that 100 words का limit वो cross ना करे. Click on begin and wait for a while till the time it has been loading around. When it has been loaded, you can see the main frame page has been popped. पहला पेज होता है to whom you are sending the mails. Right now I have uploaded an Excel sheet of 1800 participants. The question arises हम ये participants को edit recipients. Uh, Before that, click on audience. All contacts. It will take a while. Till that time you can just open your Google form. And in this Google form you can see there are responses. और ये जो sheet होगी ये होगा आपका database, as you can see on your screen. So इस database को हम कैसे upload करेंगे? That's the main question which we are going to focus on right now. So click on export audience. Wait for a while till the time it's been loading around. Add contacts. Till the time you can download this particular Google Sheet by going on this CSV file, and then export a CSV file. The database you have uploaded, you will see that particular thing. अब the thing is, Mailchimp has a limit of 2000. उससे ज़्यादा आप audience को नहीं incorporate कर सकते हो. So what you have to do is, इस particular portal पे right now we have some rough data जो हमने कभी यूज ही नहीं किया और जिनको हमने बहुत बार यूज कर लिया है. So इस particular database जो अभी आपने डाउनलोड किया, उसे आपको थोड़ा क्लीन करना होगा by removing these which you have made in past and updating that particular sheet with fresh data. Once you have updated that particular fresh data, you can go on manage contacts and you will see आपको कैसे पता चलेगा which email ID you have to remove. Then there is an option over here who have subscribed your emails, who have unsubscribed your emails. Those who have unsubscribed, उनको आप निकाल दीजिए और जो सब्सक्राइब हैं off on this particular path. Then add contacts, go to import contacts. एक बार आपने सारे files को fresh कर लिया, you have created an accurate, what we can say, CSV file. Continue to upload, click on browse. This is the CSV file which I have downloaded right now. Continue to organize. So this has helped you in adding a tag of continue to match. Like you don't need to do anything over here. Just remove some. See, now the thing is formatting. Over here, are you in final year? This are not required. So you can't finalize this particular part, and that's why you have to go back and you have to edit your Excel sheet. How you are going to edit your Excel sheet? By removing this particular timestamp part. So WhatsApp number. Are you willing to join this? Every sort of things which you have been seeing around, you have to remove them all. Then and then you would be having your proper formatted Excel sheet. Over here, it's been saying the proper format is first name, which has been mentioned over here, which should not been finalized in this particular path. And that's it. Other aspects are, so I'm not focusing on that particular thing and I'm just clicking on finalize contact, complete import. So I have received 62 fresh contacts in my list. So why it has been showing 50? The reason is out of 62, there were 12 contacts which were repeated and it has freshened up the particular contact with uh, fresh contact. So Pale we used to have about 1800 plus. Now we would be having about participants. So that's how you are going to uh, import your contacts and again let's get back to the part how to shoot an email. So I guess you would be clear ये to कैसे हम execute करते हैं. Next come from. From is like it is from Indogulf. If you want, you can name the whole name Indogulf Management Associate in bracket Delhi, Dubai, your convenience. I'm not telling you that you should write in this particular format itself. But yeah, if you write in this particular format, it makes your email campaign more personalized. Then it's time to add a subject. Subjects need to be catchy. And if you remember the theoretical part, we were told that it should have some uh, abbreviative line to attract your audience. So the line free conference uh, certificate and goodies international 6th August and mm, Igma as well as the other brand which we have collaborated with. So preview text is not a compulsory part. You can copy paste that thing in the preview thing. It's totally fine. And just click on save. So right now, if you want to see that your subject is relevant or not, then it shows that I have to keep my subject a bit short to check whether my subject is short or crisp or not. You want to keep your characters count below 60. So again, uh, international conference, and that's how it goes. That my space has been limited. It has been showing impressive emojis, and every aspect has been covered. So that's how you are going to save your subject line. Now comes the important part: design your email. See, designing your email comes under the portion of uh, content, posters, and templates which you are going to use. These are the templates which you can use. It can be a one column, it can be a product selling, making an announcement, telling a story, follow up, educate, etc. But right now I'm using a safe template I have used for some campaigns for an international conference. I'm just showing you that particular conference, how it has been done in past. But for a safer side, I will suggest do create a new campaign, because these are the campaigns which I have been creating in past, like in the month of 2020. It's been 6 months, and updation is something which should be done on regular basis. So yeah, you can see that by clicking on replace, you would be redirected to the gallery section where you can add or upload the updated logo of the organization. Let me check if I have that particular logo. So see, so that's how it works. Then comes the image size. It is pretty big. I don't want this particular image size. So you can just uh, use that particular image with ease. Next comes this particular color background. I don't like this particular pink color. I can go with my black or any relevant color as per as your convenience. The spacing is too much for me, so I'm just removing this particular spacing as much as I can. Then comes this particular part of uh, logo. Then the relevant content. Do you have to just double click and edit all the contents over here. Google me. I mean, I'm not saying this particular content is totally correct, but yeah, for the sake of saying, I'm just doing all sort of added and subtraction over here for changing the content style or similar aspects. You can go to the styling part. The font can be Courier, Georgia, Helvetic, your convenience. In the end, output is not that much satisfactory. So just do make sure that whatever the contents you are opting for is pretty much satisfactory, and the things which you have been adding is acceptable. So that's how the content works. Let me see what I have in my bucket. Okay, fine. So the thing is, okay, once you are done with this particular content, you can change the image by clicking on replace, or yeah, if you have the poster ready, you can click on replace, and that's how you have to just click on save and close. Then comes the main content. Again, you can do the double click part, and you can edit all the contents which are being shown over here. Then you can add some images by clicking on that particular image. Suppose this image has been showing that you need to add additional buttons. मुझे कुछ extra contents डालने हैं. So how am I going to this particular? I'm going to do that particular part. You just need to click on add file. Over here there is a dividend जो आपको show कर रहा है. Just let me show you how it works from scratch. So यहाँ पे है आपके options. You want that you need some kind of you want you just need some kind of content. Let me show you how you are going to do that particular thing again. Upload an image if you have something in your tally. Right now I'm just doing using this particular logo. Then suppose you need an box texted about to write something about EGMA. So EGMA, follow us on our social media channels. See, I'm doing everything is in a pretty rough manner. You can do everything, and yeah, save and close. Once you have done this particular save and close part, जितने भी blocks हैं आपके screen पे, आपको सारे blocks show होंगे. Suppose you want to add the social media, just click on this particular drag and drop thing, and add the Facebook link, Twitter link. You want to add our website, you can add the website, Instagram. So you can click on Instagram and you can add the Instagram link. You want to add another service, you can go to add another service, and you can find our LinkedIn ID. See, so that's how this thing works. And save and close. Social media हो गया, photos हो गए, contents हो गए, posters हो गया, logo हो गया. Now comes about links. Suppose someone wants to register for the program. This is the button, and over here, this is the part where you are going to add the link. So suppose this is the, I hope everyone would be aware that कैसे मैं link create कर सकता हूँ. I mean, in this particular manner. I mean, and that's how complete design conference details has been created. We just need to do continue, and then comes the important part of sending mail in a single shot. The best thing about MailChimp is that in this particular platform, you can schedule the mail as per as your convenience. You do if you want, you can check कि मेरा mail कैसा दिख रहा है by sending a sample mail. I mean, as of now, I'm sending a mail to Shalvi. Let's see. So in a while, the mail has been shared to Shalvi. Shalvi, you can have a check to your email platform whether the mail has been received to you or not in a while. And you have confirmed that okay, जो टेस्ट मेल है वो एकदम प्रॉपर है, all the links are working, it's feel a bit creative, you can schedule or you can directly send. And within 10, like, it hardly took you a minute to send about 1800 mails in single shot. And that's how MailChimp works. And that's how you are going to work on this particular platform for our next conference. as well as in our next workshop, like sending 2000 mails in a single shot by using MailChimp form. Second platform name is Sendinblues. Sendinblues is also a platform which has about same features like MailChimp, drag and drop, import contact of CSV file. यहाँ आपको insights भी दिखेंगे कितने लोगों ने आपका मेल खोला, क्लिक किया, blacklist मतलब unsubscribe किया, and every sort of thing. So now it's time to create a campaign in Sendinblues. Click on email, wait for a while, create a new email campaign. Campaign name can be anything. Igma is hiring. Igma is hiring. Subject line, your convenience. Igma, Dubai, MNC, hiring interns, September batch 2021. Your convenience, as I have told you earlier, the subject line should be attractive with emojis and should be small. That's it. So this is a thing which you have to take care of. Click on the next step. Next step is about designing. Uh, you can use your templates or you can design a new from scratch. Suppose designing or I'm more towards template, so I would be opting for a template. Let's see, I have template in my tally or not. If I don't have, I would be just going into the template gallery, and from the template gallery I would be just opting for a template which is pretty attractive, and audience will definitely click on that particular link. For instance, I'm an old school person, so मैं एक simple सा ही template कुछ opt करूँगा, and in that particular editing all the details, like double click and Igma is hiring. Over here the organization's logo. Currently I have used a old logo, so you can like reimagining business, learn, grow. That's how you are going to add a hiring poster. Suppose this is an old hiring poster which we are used to use in past. So I'm just dragging that and dragging drop. Can be done easily. And that's how you can see the hiring has been added. Now you can add the details about क्यों हम hire कर रहे हैं, what are the benefits we are providing and every sort of thing. यहाँ पे पुराने interns batch के photos डाल सकते हो. यहाँ पे हाँ यहाँ पे you can add the Google form. Suppose double click on the Google form, you can add the content as register now with the link over here of the Google form. फिर you can, if color आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है बटन का तो black कर दो. Your convenience, it's totally fine. यहाँ पे you can add many more posters because in Enigma हम एक पोस्टर तो बनाते नहीं है, so आप मल्टीपल पोस्टर्स यहाँ ऐड कर सकते हो विद डिटेल्स और एक सुंदर सा प्रॉपर टेम्पलेट रेडी हो जाएगा. You can save and quit, or you can send test mail on the ID of Igma, so that आपको पता चल जाएगा कि that what is the final output use. मैं एक marketing @gmail.com. I hope this would be the right email ID. So in a while the email would be shared with me. मैं देख पाऊंगा the template I have used is pretty much new, fresh, और जो कंटेंट हम लिखते हैं और जो कंटेंट ये सॉफ्टवेयर हमें बना के देते हैं उसमें कितना डिफरेंस है. आई होप यू designing part, the uh, uploading the content part, adding buttons, social media handles aspects, and every sort of thing. Let's see if in a while I would be receiving my sample email, but till that time I would just click on save and quit, और यहाँ आपका send in blues भी खत्म होता है. Next platform which I also prominently use is its name is Mail King. It's the partnered company with Cloud HQ on new email campaign. Over here, I have already imported some, like I need to import some contacts. Click on import Google Sheet or upload the CSV file. I have my CSV file, so I would be opting for CSV part. Are you want? Do you want? Yes, I want to replace this with see, and that's how this data has been replaced. And see, it's pretty smooth. In a one shot, I have uploaded everything. Over here, I would be just editing everything जैसे मैंने आपको सिखाया है वैसे ही आपको करना है. क्लिक यहाँ पे आपका राइट हैंड साइड में आपके मेन्यूज आपको दिख रहे होंगे. क्लिक ऑन अपलोड इमेज. जो भी आपको लोगोज अच्छे लगते हैं you can add the logos, you can add the image size and width from here. It's pretty easy. Over here, double click and you can edit the content. Double click, you can add the YouTube link of our Igma's ID. That's how this works. Double click, then you can add the you update the URL of this button. Double click, then you can edit the content which has been shown over here. And that's how uh, Cloud HQ works. You can send or you can save for later. And it's pretty obvious and simple that this softwares can help you in order to gain more engagement and reaches, and your organization would be profited if you are aware about email marketing. Because as an MBA student, अगर आपने digital marketing as a platform लिया है and to your main work is to get leads, then email marketing is a prominent platform for your organization. And अगर आपको ये चीज आता है, you will be scaling around a bit more in your firm or organization. There are many other platforms, that is MoSend, Sender.net, MailJet, but इन सब में बस आपको लॉग इन करना है. एंड जैसा मैंने मेल चिम, सेंड इन ब्लूज और मेल किंग में सिखाया, सेम चीज आपको करना है. इंपोर्ट कॉन्टैक्ट, सिलेक्ट एडिट, डबल क्लिक एंड एडिट. सब एडिट होने के बाद जस्ट क्लिक ऑन सेंड, एंड that's how thing works. So it's pretty much easier concepts to be used. Just you have to make sure that आप इस सबको एक बार प्रैक्टिस करें, समझें, तब आपको ज्यादा इसकी वैल्यूज पता चलेंगे एंड हाउ इट कैन हेल्प यू. ये आपको आइडिया आएगा अच्छे से. सो let's see if you are able to work on this particular platform in a prominent manner or not. But yeah, from you every sort of thing which you should know about email marketing in a practical manner.